गुड मॉर्निंग ये पिशा। नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब दोस्तों। वी आर फाइनली बैक हियर अगेन, बिगर, बेटर एंड ब्राइटर ईच ईयर। आज फाइनली वो दिन आ चुका है जब सारे स्टूडेंट्स अपने असाइनमेंट्स के टेंशन को बाजू में रखकर they let their inner magicians take over, their inner artists, जो आज हम सभी का मन लुभाने वाले हैं।
तो कैसी है एब्सेंट की पब्लिक? कैसे हो मेरे दोस्तों? आर यू रेडी? जिंदगी एक रंगमंच है और हम सब एक कलाकार। यहाँ पे आज नई नई उड़ानें भरेगी, नए नए जज्बात बोलेंगे और सबके दिलों के राज खुलेंगे।
सो शो सम एनर्जी गाइस, क्योंकि आज स्टेज पर कई सारी कहानियां सुनाई जाएंगे, कई सारे नए कथाएं बताए जाएंगे। बट ये सब चीजें सिर्फ शब्दों से नहीं, बल्कि हमारे एब्सिटियंस के डांस, म्यूजिक और आर्ट के जरिए बयान किए जाएंगे।
जहां हेवन की सेरेनिटी और हेल की इंटेंसिटी और अर्थ की रियलिटी, समझ लो आज कुछ धमाकेदार होने वाला है। इसमें थोड़ा बॉलीवुड का मसालेदार ड्रिल्स होंगे, डांसेस होंगे और मजेदार ड्रामा होगा।
क्योंकि ये इवेंट सिर्फ एक इवेंट नहीं है दोस्तों, ये एक अनुभव बनने वाला है। आपको स्वर्ग, नरक और पृथ्वी सबके अनुभवों पर हम लेकर जाने वाले हैं। और हमारे एब्सिटियंस के कलाकार इस रंगमंच को अपने परफॉर्मेंस से पूरी तरह से सजा देने वाले हैं। बिकॉज एज दे से, इफ यू वांट टू गो फास्ट, गो अलोन, बट इफ यू वांट टू गो फार, गो टुगेदर। And we are here together with our collaborated efforts and collective performances to really set the stage on fire.
So, are you guys ready for the echoes of beyond? Now, I would like to start with the lighting ceremony. So, I will request and I would like to honor our Principal Sir, Dr. Uttam Kolekar Sir, Vice Principal, Professor Atul Deshpande Sir, Faculty in charge of Student Council, Professor Rajesh Behra Sir, and our Student Council core committee members to be on the stage for the lighting ceremony.
Please give a huge round of applause, guys. We're about to kickstart our OJAS 2K25.
We are very grateful for their efforts and their presence.
Their presence has truly honored and enchanted this event.
दुर्गे दुर्घट भारी तुझ विण संसारी, अनाथ नाथे अंबे करुणा विस्तारी। वारी वारी जन्म मरणाते वारी, हारी पडलो आता संकट निवारी। त्रिभुवन भुवनी पाहता तुझ ऐसी नाही, चारी श्रमले परंतु न बोलवे काही। साही विवाद करता पडलो प्रवाही, ते तू भक्ता लागी पावसी लवलाही।
We thank all our dignitaries. The lighting of the lamp ceremony has truly been enchanting and has mesmerized us all. Now, I would like to call upon our respected principal sir to share a few words and grace us with their presence.
Hello everyone. Good morning one and all. As you all know that OJS is our cultural festival. So in this OJS, you all students are showing your talent in dance, singing, drama and many more. So last 2 days, I hope you all are enjoying. Yes or no? So I think all of you know the different creativity shown by our students. They have shown the talents in the games. So you enjoyed that games. So I hope you all are enjoying these 2 days. So today is the last day, that is concluding session of, you can say, our OJS 2025. So today our students are again showing the final round for the dance, drama and singing. So without wasting much of time, I wish all the participants best of luck for their activities. And last, I will declare that this OJS 2025 is open to all. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Principal Sir. Your kind words have truly inspired us all and have truly ignited this event as we are ready to embark on OJS 2K25 with the theme of Echoes of the Beyond. Can you imagine, guys, your colleagues, your classmates who are often busy studying and preparing for exams are right now here to showcase their extra co-curriculum activities. और इससे पता चलता है कि हम सब में कितना अनोखा टैलेंट है.
As we embark on this journey, we presenting to you a divine rhythm which will guide you. So presenting to you inaugural dance performance which will be a tribute to the eternal dance of the cosmos.
A huge round of applause for our inaugural dance performance, guys.
हे गजवदन वक्रतुंड महाकाय गजवदन वक्रतुंड महाकाय
गजवदन वक्रतुंड महाकाय अवतारी आम्ही धरितो तुमचे पाय अवतारी आम्ही धरितो तुमचे पाय
गजवदन वक्रतुंड महाकाय
किरताण लंबोदर किरताण विघ्नेश्वर किरताण चक्रगदे किट कलगदे किट कलगदे किरताण कलगदे किट कलगदे किट किरताण किरताण
What a truly enamoring performance. सारे ऑडियंस का जोश ही बढ़ चुका है. एंड ये कल्चरल फेस्ट भी है टू सेलिब्रेट आवर ट्रेडिशन, हमारे संस्कार और हमारी प्रतिष्ठा. इन सभी चीज़ों को हम अप्रिशिएट करते हैं. एंड दिस डांस इवेंट हैज ट्रूली शोकेस दैट.
Exactly, Pranav. This shows that even if we become modern, we are still joined to our roots, our tradition, and our ethics.
Exactly. And now, to further take our event, we will be introducing our student council dance performance to set the stage on fire and raise the bar high for this incredible fest. Give a huge round of applause for our next performance.
प्यारे प्यारे लम्हे, प्यारी प्यारी बातें, सपनों के दिन है, सपनों की रातें. रहते हैं सारे दीवाने, तो नचो नचो all night. Where's the party tonight? Someone down the road. Where's the party tonight? On the dance floor. सपनों के दिन है, सपनों की रातें. Where's the party tonight?
Here we go.
सारी की सारी दुनिया भुला के मैं तो तेरे नाल नचना.
So sexy.
For you could be my one and only. मैं तो तेरे नाल नचना. And when I see you looking at me, आजा बात कर दिल की. होने लगे ये अफसाने.
You know it, so sing it. Now throw your hands up and say.
आज स्टूडेंट काउंसिल गाइस जिन्होंने दिन रात मेहनत करी है टू मेक दिस इवेंट अ ग्रैंड सक्सेस. दे आर ट्रूली द बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक ऑफ आर ईच एंड एवरी फेस्ट. तो एक बार इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां गाइस.
So introducing the student council. Joint sports secretary is Nishikanta Sawant, Hitesh Dubey, Sania Dhopavkar, Aditya Dandavate. Joint cultural secretary Yogini Yadav, Harsh Borge, Shlok Kute. Our sports secretary Dhruv Sawant, cultural secretary Dravesh Jain, general secretary Ansh Chavan, and our beloved president Razak Shikalkar.
As someone who's seen their work from close, I can only appreciate just how much effort the Student Council has put into this event. And now, moving forward from our Student Council dance performance, we will now be introducing our celebrated, the hosting and anchoring team who are about to take you on through this event. So, calling upon the hosting and anchoring team, the first name is Shraddha.
Shruti.
Tejas.
Kautuk.
प्रेषिता,
Sumit,
प्रेमचंद,
Princess,
we are the hosting and the anchoring team, and we hope to make this event a grand success for you all.
Now it's time to start with our first performer. So calling upon the Jammers Group.
Give it up for the Jammers Group.
This is the future, man.
Tirikitadana, gigidana, let's dance. Tirikitadana, gigidana, let's dance.
है muscular, है popular, है muscular, है popular, spectacular, he's a bachelor. पप्पू की गाड़ी तेज है, पप्पू कुड़ियों में क्रेज है.
की आंखें लाइट ब्लू, पप्पू दिखता crazy है.
बैटों की घड़ी हाथों में परफ्यूम गुच्ची वाला
But पप्पू can't dance.
पप्पू का dance साला.
पप्पू नाच नहीं सकता. देखा जो तुझे याद में बजी गिटार. देखा जो तुझे याद दिल में बजी गिटार. हल्का आंखों से प्यार दिल में बजी गिटार. आओ रहा कैसा ये नजारा, आओ रहा जीने का मजा रे. अरे रे मैं तो गया रे, दिल भी गया रे. अरे रे मैं तो गया रे, दिल भी गया रे.
घड़ी घड़ी चिक थोड़ी थोड़ी चिक शोर मचाए रे. हाय मेरी चुनरी भी सरकी जाए रे. घड़ी घड़ी चिक थोड़ी थोड़ी चिक शोर मचाए रे. हाय मेरी चुनरी भी सरकी जाए रे. हाय रे, लागली कुणाची चिट्टी. हाय मला लागली कुणाची चिट्टी. हाय मला लागली कुणाची चिट्टी.
अप्रतिम
अविस्मरणीय.
आणि भन्नाट असा हा परफॉर्मन्स होता. एकदा जोरदार टाळ्या होऊन जाऊ द्या.
Yeah!
तो
अरे
बिना
श्रद्धा, but it is time for us to introduce ourselves, yaar.
एक्स्ट्रीमली सॉरी गाइस.
Hello everyone, my name is Kautuk
And this is Shraddha Barge.
and we are your hosts for the next few events.
Now it's a time to rock because the lights are shining bright, the stage is set,
Yeah.
and the curtains are rising high. So full your energy on.
Because
Yeah.
it is time to bring upon the first solo singing performance.
So अपने दिलों को थाम के बैठो और कुर्सी की पेटी बांध के बैठो.
Because it is time to bring upon the stage Gauri Iyer.
Give it up for them.
Big round of applause, everybody. क्या सुर थे यार, वाह वाह। ये सुन के तो मुझे लग रहा है मैं किसी पे रंग क्यों नहीं डालूं लाल।
अरे रुक जा यार कौतुक, मतलब अब इतनी तारीफ करेगा, आगे बहुत परफॉर्मेंसेस होने बाकी है गाइस।
Yeah, that's right everyone.
तो चलो अगले परफॉर्मेंस को बुलाने से पहले ना एक छोटी सी शायरी बोल देती हूँ। तो ऐसी कि फूल बनकर ऐसे महकूं, फूल बनकर ऐसे महकूं कि बहारों में जोश आ जाए।
वाह 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 वाह।
फूल बनकर ऐसे महकूं कि बहारों में जोश आ जाए। तालियां ऐसे बजाओ गाइस कि डांस करने वालों में जोश आ जाए।
आहा,
That's the spirit guys। तो अपने नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस को give it up for सौरभ कामले।
ना देगा चिकनी चमेली देखी चिकना कमीना देखा चांदनी चिटर होके चीट किया तो सारे तारे बोले गिली गिली अक्खा। मेरी बात ज्यादा बातें बुरी बात थाली में कटो रिपीट किया तो साला मैंने तेरे मुंह पे मारा मुक्का। कोई चढ़ा है खैर ना जाने ना, अब तो क्या बुरा क्या भला है फर्क पहचाने ना, पकड़ के खड़ा है कम वक्त छोड़ना जाने ना। बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल माने ना बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल माने ना इश्क में दिल बना है, इश्क में दिल बना है, मिटा दे या बना दे मैंने तुझको चुना है। तेरे सारे रंग ओढ़ के तेरा हुआ मैं सबको छोड़ के। इश्क करना नाप तोड़ के राज खोल के आया हूँ मैं सबको बोल के। ओ मैं तो चले तेरी ओर तेरा चले मैं जोड़ के रोया मैं भूले आए संसार चले तेरी ओर तेरा चले मैं जोड़ के रोया मैं भूले आए संसार जज तेरे लिए।
हाय क्या परफॉर्मेंस थी गाइस, एक बार जोरदार तालियां बजाएं। यार कौतुक प्लीज थोड़ा धीरे से।
क्या करूं यार, डांस इतना बढ़िया था तो थोड़े से तो ठुमके दिखाने थे यार।
हाँ, बात तो सही की गाइस। अरे एक बार हमारे कोहोस्ट के लिए तालियां बजाओ यार। ये है एब्सेंट की पब्लिक गाइस। वो कहते हैं ना रोशनी चांद से आती है सितारों से नहीं, वैसे मोहब्बत एक से होती है ना हजारों से नहीं।
ओहो आहा।
तो बिना देर किए आगे बढ़ते हैं
हमारे पहले डांस डुएट को। गेट रेडी फॉर सम डबल धमाका गाइस। सो प्लीज इट्स टाइम टू ब्रिंग अपॉन द स्टेज डुओ वाइब्स।
तालियां कम नहीं होनी चाहिए गाइस, एनर्जी बढ़ाओ यार।
કેમ છો મજામાં?
इश्क से ही सारी खुशियाँ, इश्क ही बर्बादी, इश्क है पाबंदी लेकिन इश्क ही आजादी। इश्क की दुनिया में यारो ख्वाबों की आबादी, हो गया वो जिसको मंजिल इश्क ने दिखला दी। देखो प्यारे ये नजारे ये दीवाने ये परवाने इश्क में कैसे बंद करो अंकल।
कौन है जिसने दोबारा मिलके मुझे नहीं देखा? Who is he? मुझको हुई ना खबर, चोरी चोरी छुप छुप मुझको हुई ना खबर, चोरी चोरी छुप छुप प्यार की पहली
ਓਏ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਗਿੱਧੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਪਤਲੋਨੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾ ਜਾਵੇ। ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਗਿੱਧੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਪਤਲੋਨੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾ ਜਾਵੇ। नच पतलोनी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खा जावे हौली हौली गिद्दे विच नच पतलोनी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खा जावे हौली हौली गिद्दे विच नच पतलोनी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खा जावे
अरे ये सब हटा रे सावन की घड़ा चल अपना चला जल्दी
जल प्रवाह पावितस्तरे ढले बलं विलम्बिताम्बुजङ्गबालिका ढमड्ढमड्ढमन्निनादमड्ढमर्वयुच्चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु न शिव शिवं शिवं
एनर्जी का जो ब्लास्ट किया है, स्टेज पे जो आग लगा दिया है, आप दोनों ने ओजस का जो जोश दिखाया, वाह भाई वाह, हम आप दोनों को मान गए।
अरे यार, मानने से पहले इंट्रोड्यूस तो कर ले।
अच्छा हाँ।
नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब एंड हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है तेजस जोशी
और मैं हूँ श्रुति।
अगला परफॉर्मेंस आने से पहले ड्रम रोल प्लीज।
लेकिन ड्रम्स कहाँ है?
अरे यार, ड्रम नहीं है बट ताली तो बजा सकते हैं।
अब बुलाते हैं हमारे गाने के तानसेन को। प्लीज गिव इट अप फॉर आदित्य पवार। गिव अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज गाइस।
हेलो हेलो।
जुदा होके भी तो मुझ में कहीं बाकी है, पलकों पे बन के आंसू तू चली आती है, जुदा होके भी जिंदा हुए जिंदगी बिन तेरे में, दर्द ही दर्द बाकी रहा है सीने में, आज देना तो ही यहाँ जीना नहीं है, दर्द ही दर्द बाकी रहा है सीने में, जुदा होके भी तू मुझ में कहीं बाकी है, पलकों पे बन के तू चली आती है, जुदा होके भी सी है मुझको ऐसे जीने में, सभी रातें हैं सभी काटे हैं, मिटा दो इन्हें, मिटा दो
वाह यार, क्या सुर थे, एकदम तानसेन जैसे। उससे याद आया, माई नेम इज एंथनी गोंजाल्विस।
रुक जा तेजस, तू बाथरूम सिंगर ही ठीक है, आज हमारे ऑडियंस को बख्श दे।
अरे यार, अगर अपना कॉलेज एक बॉलीवुड मूवी होती तो कुछ शाहरुख की तरह सबके चहीते, रणवीर सिंह की तरह फुल ऑन एनर्जी एंड आमिर की तरह लेक्चर्स के आइंस्टाइन।
वाह वाह वाह। अब शुरू हो गए, अब मूव्स की बारी। आई एम विद दैट वेलकम आवर डांस ग्रुप सिविल।
गिव अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज गाइस।
आपण ज्या व्यक्तीला कॉल केला आहे ती आता दुसऱ्या कॉलवर व्यस्त आहे।
हॅलो, कुणाला बोलत होती का?
काय रे तुझी कटकट? जेव्हा बघल तेव्हा नुसता संशयच घेत असतो माझ्यावर। विश्वास नसेल ना तर आजपासून मला फोन करायचा नाही।
जा बाळा, तुला आजपासून माझा त्रास नाही होणार।
आता मन भरलं ग तुझं, प्रेम भरलं ग तुझं, आता मन भरलं ग तुझं, गद्दारी करून तूच म्हणते गद्दार मला पाखरा आझाद केलं तुला पाखरा आझाद केलं तुला।
एक कोड घेतला की डोकं कसं तड 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 तड।
तू सच बोलता है? फिर बोले तो एक दिन अपन के मोहल्ले में है माई, तुला बघून बघून गेलो या तंगून उन्हाचं चांदण झालं या वारशी रंगात आलो या रंगात तुझ्याच गुंतून गेलो या माझ्या उरात धडधड होती या बडबड जीवाचं पाखर झालं या मला झालं या
बोट स्वीट वाचवली, हाताला चटका लागला तरी मी कढई तापवली, तुमच्यासाठी स्पेशल केवढं बाय मी सोसलं, थोडं तरी सांगाल ना हो ना जेवला काय हो ना जेवला काय हो ना
वाह यार, क्या परफॉर्मेंस था। अगर ये एक मूवी होती तो इसको IMDb पे 10 आउट ऑफ 10 मिलता, बट सिविल ने प्रूफ कर दिया है कि वो बिल्डिंग बना भी सकता है और जला भी सकता है।
अब बारी है हमारे आपसे की लता मंगेशकर और अरिजीत सिंह को बुलाने की। And with that, welcome Saurabh and Siddhi. Give them a huge round of applause, guys.
एनर्जी दिखाओ यार।
नार 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 रंग बावऱ्या स्वप्नांना सांगा रे सांगा कुंभकया ना वेलीना सांगा रे सांगा हे भास होती कसे हे नाव ठीक कुणाचे का सांग वेड्या मना मला भान नाही जगाचे मला वेड लागले प्रेमाचे, मला वेड लागले प्रेमाचे, प्रेमाचे, प्रेमाचे.
नांदावले धंदावले कधी गुंतले मन बावरे, नकळे कसे कोणामुळे सूर लागले मन मोकळे.
खासगी तुझी आहे नशा, मला साध घालती दाही दिशा, मला वेड लागले प्रेमाचे, मला वेड लागले प्रेमाचे, प्रेमाचे, प्रेमाचे.
जगणे नवे वाटे मला, कुणी भेटला माझा मला, खुलता कळी उमलून हा मन मोगरा गंधाळला.
भासगी तुझी आहे नशा, मला साध घालती दाही दिशा, मला वेड लागले प्रेमाचे, मला वेड लागले प्रेमाचे, प्रेमाचे, प्रेमाचे. थँक्यू.
मुझे शानदार परफॉर्मेंस के लिए एक शायरी याद आ रही है, बोल दूं?
अरे हाँ, खड़काओ खड़काओ.
पूजा हो मंदिर में तो थाली भी चाहिए, पूजा हो मंदिर में तो थाली भी चाहिए, और अगर दिल हो दिल वाला तो दिल वाली भी चाहिए, और अगर परफॉर्मेंस हो ओजस का तो ताली भी चाहिए.
यार अब हम एक एनर्जी से तो मिल गए, बट ये एनर्जी किधर से जनरेट होते हैं उससे मिलते हैं. AP Shah has not just been an institution but a transformative chapter in our lives.
Shaping minds to forging friendships and inspiring future.
We welcome you all to Parshvanath Charitable Trust, AP Shah Institute of Technology. Our institute stands as a beacon of excellence, continuously setting new benchmarks in academics, innovation, and extracurricular brilliance. Starting with the students' achievement in the year 2024, our students continued to shine and demonstrated remarkable dedication, creativity, and resilience. From excelling academically to showcasing extraordinary talent in extracurricular activities, their achievements are truly inspiring. APSIT proudly celebrates Pratik Pawar from the Mechanical Department for being commissioned as a lieutenant in the Indian Army. To honor such bravery, the institute has introduced a full course fee reimbursement scheme as a token of gratitude. Our institute takes immense pride in our GATE, Gratitude Aptitude Test in Engineering Achievers for the year 2025. Mechanical engineering student Omkar Mulik achieved an extraordinary feat, securing an All India rank of 15 in GATE 2025. Anvesha Pani, computer engineering student, has grabbed All India rank 17. Amit Nara, computer engineering student, has qualified GATE CS 2025. Atul Gupta, CSE AIML student, has qualified GATE 2025. Two students, Umesh Nete and Janvi Kasar from CSE Data Science Department, has qualified GATE 2025. Mr. Bhavesh Marathe and Mr. Swapnil Joshi, student of IT Department, have cracked GATE 2025. 23 students from the Department of Civil Engineering were awarded a total scholarship of 10.6 lakhs from CREDAI, Maharashtra Chamber of Housing Industry. Students from the Civil Engineering Department, Harish Salvi, Abhijit Belkone, Dheeraj Nifade and Shubham Davle, guided by Professor Vrishali Suryavanshi, secured third rank in state-level project presentation competition Technathon. 10 TE and BE civil students were honored for their impactful participation in the Nukkad Natak competition by Vesak India in collaboration with Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Maharashtra State Government. Civil engineering student Prathamesh Gaikwad, Sakshi Bhatt, Deep Joshi and Niranjan Daikude honored for participating in the National Beach Cleaning Drive organized by Maharashtra government, graced by CM Eknath Shinde and other ministers. 18 civil department students and faculty, Dr. Mrunal Joshi and Professor Vishal Misal, received an appreciation letter from the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change for their participation in the Ideas for Life Ideathon at IIT Bombay. 24 civil engineering students secured second place in the bridge model making competition organized by the Computer Aided Design and Drafting Center. Sejal Yadav, a stellar computer engineering student and NSS APSET representative, has been selected as a flying officer in the prestigious Indian Air Force, a proud moment for APSET. Parth Jain, BE Computer Engineering and NSS ex-president, made APSET proud by winning first place at the NCC Intergroup Competition 2024 and received a silver medal in static aero modeling. Meet Jain, Aryan Jothani, Atharva Dalvi, Altmash Aziz, Anusha and Saloni Chavan won the Smart India Hackathon 2024, securing a 1 lakh cash prize. Pranjali Sangavekar, Parth Savant from the Department of Computer Engineering and Harsh Tamde from CSE Data Science Department secured second place at Nirman 2025, a 48-hour hackathon competing against 528 teams and winning cash prize of Rs 55,000. Jatin Kaninjon, Maud Khan and Manas Naniwadekar from TE Computer won first place at the Indian Society of Training and Development Hackathon, earning a cash prize of 60,000. Atharva Gorshet, Sarkasi More and Om Datte from SE Computer secured first place in Enigma 3.0 into the Webverse Hackathon. Adrian Gilbert from BEAIML completed the MITAX Global Link Research Internship at the University of Calgary, Canada. Jeet Manjrekar from CSE AIML won second place in the AI Innovative category at HackScript 6.0 and earned the Certified Ethical Hacker Global Certification. Om Bojane and Chirag Sawant from AIML secured second place at Base On-Chain AI Hackathon, winning a cash prize of $1,000. Riya Sawant, Sonal Songare, Rutuja Patil and Tanvi Panchal from CSE Data Science Department won first place at HackScript 6.0, bagging a cash prize of 25,000. Rohan Vagude, Arya Patil, Meghraj Padwal from CSE Data Science Department and Bhavika Band from IT secured first place at HackScript 6.0, winning a cash prize of Rs 25,000. Faizan Mahimkar and Dhananjay Agarwal from CSE Data Science Department secured runner-up at HackScript 6.0, winning Rs 15,000. Harsh Tamde from CSE Data Science Department received pre-incubation by MU Ideas Foundation under Mumbai University for 12 months. Sonal Sonargare, Janvi Kasar, Aman Dumal and Vedant Maikar from CSE Data Science Department had their research paper accepted at IEEE IGRAS 2025. Shreya Nagda, Harsh Koladkar, Mayank Mishra and Pritham Ninganayak secured fourth place at Codeverse 24-hour hackathon. Shivani Zagde, Manas Thare, Adarsh Pandey, Vedangi Patil, Kaushik Nerurkar and Amok Parulekar from IT were runner-up at Smart India Hackathon 2024, mentored by Professor Charul Singh. Shreyas Narvekar from IT department secured second place in the Red Hat Indian Final Challenge. Total of 34 students from Computer Engineering, 22 students from CSE AIML, 38 students from CSE Data Science and 51 students from IT successfully earned the Zscaler Global Certification. 64 students from Mechanical Engineering earned the Dassault Systems SolidWorks Associate Global Certification. Ansari Mohammed, the first-year student, has scored 45/45 in Applied Chemistry in December 2024 exams. Mohitesh Shrishti, the first-year student, scored 45/45 in Applied Physics in December 2024 exams. Mayur Parab, Computer Engineering student, secured third place in University Interzonal Badminton Tournament. Pooja Doshi from Computer Engineering Department secured third place in University Interzonal Basketball Tournament. APSET Ring Football team secured first and second place in intercollegiate tournaments at various institutes. APSET Season Cricket team secured second place in an intercollegiate cricket tournament. Student team Shreya Nagda, Mihir Amin, Manas Jagtap, and Abhishek have developed a web portal for HackScript 6.0 national level hackathon conducted by AppSit. Student team Yash Baviskar, Bharat Sharma, Yadnesh, Anisha Gaur has developed a web portal for OJIS annual cultural fest at AppSit. Let's move to the achievements of NSS and Antarang. Shivam Pawar from TE Mechanical, an NSS volunteer, led the Mumbai University NSS team at the state level Prerna camp at Devi Ahilya Bai Holkar, Solapur University. NSS AppSit unit, guided by Professor Uday Nikam and Professor Rushikesh Nikam, made a strong impact collecting 143 blood units in a blood donation camp and driving a change in a 7-day rural residential camp. Antarang, led by Ms. Darshana Jain, promotes mental well-being and self-growth through counseling, personality development and life skill workshops, empowering students, teachers and parents. Stepping on to faculty achievements. Dr. Uttam Kolikar has been honored with Principal Excellence Award 2024 and Best Outreach and Brand Promotion Award 2024 for his instrumental role in AICTE Virtual Internship Program. Professor Pallavi Nayati from the Department of Civil Engineering awarded a PhD from Sandeep University, Nashik. Professor Sukta Aloni from Computer Engineering Department has successfully completed PhD from Pacific University. Professor Babita Ghaute from Computer Engineering Department has completed PhD from Kalinga University. Professor Ranjita Asati from CSE AIML Department has completed her PhD under Nagpur University. Professor Vaibhav Yavalkar from the Department of CSE Data Science has completed his PhD from Pacific University. Professor Amol Shinde from the Department of Mechanical Engineering has completed his PhD from Pacific University. Professor Shushruth Patankar from the Department of Mechanical Engineering has completed his PhD from Pacific University. Professor Pankaj Jadhav from the Department of Mechanical Engineering has completed his PhD from ICT Mumbai. Professor Nilofer Sheikh has completed a PhD from Mumbai University in Mathematics. Dr. Mrunal Joshi from the Department of Civil Engineering has worked as environmental warrior in the competition organized by TMC and won first prize of Rs 51,000. Dr. Mugdha Agarwadkar from the Department of Civil Engineering is appointed as a secretary for IEEE GRSS Bombay section. Dr. Madhuri Mule was awarded Rs 2,25,000 for consultancy work by Toyo Engineering Limited. Professor Selvin Furtado from Computer Engineering secured a consultancy with IRD Mech Analysis Limited and has been appointed as an R&D advisor for vibration sensor design, marking his fourth consultancy apart from Acknowledge Engineering, Honor Solutions and Premier Electro Systems. Professor Tanvi Khapdi has been honored with the prestigious Educator Excellence Award from Google for a mentorship in the AICTE Virtual Internship. Professor Nirali Arora has published a book titled IoT Fundamentals and Applications for Pune University. Dr. Kiran Deshpande, HOD IT Department, has received the Best Performing Center of Excellence Coordinator Award for successful implementation of AICTE Virtual Internship Program. The prestigious Educator Excellence Award has been conferred upon Professor Sonia Anish from AWS, Professor Ganesh Gorshete from Blue Prism, Professor Yamini Patil from Google, and Professor Gitanjali from Celonis for their outstanding mentorship under the AICTE Virtual Internship Initiative. Professor Sonal Balpande completed prestigious global certification AWS Solution Architect. Dr. Samir Naniwadikar has been given charge of Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, Bombay Section Interim Chair. Professor Manjusha Kashilkar has published a book titled Mastering Network Security, Advanced Technique and Technologies, published in Skycraft Hub International Publication. Two faculty members, Professor Manish Gadle and Dr. Amol Shinde, have earned the prestigious Dassault Systems SolidWorks Professional Certification. Dr. Amol Shinde has made significant academic contribution by publishing 4 book chapters in reputed publication. Professor Kedar Yole and Dr. Pankaj Jadhav have been certified as energy managers in the national level exam conducted by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, a prestigious recognition in the field of energy management. Professor Vijesh Nair, Professor Urjashri Patil and Professor Sushita has been recognized as accredited instructor, Virtusa Java Full Stack Developer. Let's ponder into the various technical clubs of our institute to enhance collaborative learning. There are various events conducted under these clubs. AppSit Entrepreneurial Development Cell, an incubation cell, led by Dr. Pankaj Yadav, fosters entrepreneurial excellence through prestigious grants, incubating startups at IIT Bombay and Mumbai University, and strategic partnership with Ratan Tata Private Limited and Aisha. Civil Engineering Student Association organized both technical and non-technical events, including expert talks, site visits, and tree plantation drives, also celebrating cultural occasions. Green Club of Civil Engineering organized tree plantation, rainwater harvesting, etc. Computer Student Association clubs fosters a thriving tech community with hackathons, coding contest, and AIML workshop. The Coders Club sharpens problem solving in data structures and analysis, offering a collaborative coding space. Stepping towards Google Development Students Club. This club helps the student developers to bridge the knowledge gap between the theory and practicals. The Google Developer Group on Campus AppSet achieved Tier 1 in Google Gen AI Study Jam 2024. AIML Club and Student Association fosters learning in AI and ML, offering hands-on experience in coding, data analysis, and ML frameworks through 18+ technical sessions and practical projects. Next, we have Data Science and Analytics Club and Student Association. It empowers members with hands-on expertise in data manipulation, analytics, and machine learning through workshops and real-world projects, preparing them for impactful data-driven careers. They have conducted one-week grand technical event, Dataverse. Next is Cybersecurity Club and ITSA Club. The Cybersecurity Club empowers students with in-depth knowledge and networking in the security domain, while ITSA Club enhances skill through hands-on activities, workshop, and training session. ISHRE AppSet Student Chapter enriches students with technical seminars bridging the gap between academia and industry. Institute Achievements. In 2024, AppSet proudly celebrated 10 years of excellence, marking a decade of continuous growth and remarkable progress. Institute's remarkable achievements are unbreakable. Our institute and faculties have received awards at EduSkills Connect 2024, Next Gen Skill Conclave, and EduSkill HR Summit 2024, organized by AICTE, Ministry of Education, Government of India. The following awards have been awarded by the Institute: India's Star Performing Engineering Institute of 2024, World Book of Records London for completing 5 lakhs internship in 3 years, All India ranking 17th of 2024 for EduSkills virtual internship. Another proud milestone for our institute, hosting the mega event on National Education Policy Implementation in Engineering and Technology in January 2025, graced by Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. Ajay Bamre. Other dignitaries present for this event were Dr. Prasad Karande, Registrar, Dr. Sriram Joshi, Professor of ICT Mumbai, Dr. Devan Shah, Associate Dean Faculty of Technology, Chairman and Member, Board of Studies. All HODs of all engineering institutes conducted a separate meeting and finalized the syllabus structure for University of Mumbai as per NEP. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to Principal Dr. Uttam Kolekar for orchestrating this historic moment at University of Mumbai, uniting esteemed dignitaries for an unforgettable event. Heartfelt thanks to management for making this event true. AppSet IPR cell has been granted with 5 copyrights, 2 patents, and 11 design patents. Moving towards the Training and Placement Department. The Training and Placement Department is committed to shape bright careers by guiding students on career path and connecting them with top employment opportunities. Through expert counseling, industry insights, and strategic employer collaboration, we ensure the best placement aligned with the market trends. The highest package for this year is 26 lakhs. For this academic year, total 40 plus companies visited our campus and placed more than 220 students. NPTEL chapter at the institute has been recognized as an active chapter in Mumbai region. In the last academic year, total 20 faculties and 51 students have successfully completed courses in various domains. A heartfelt thanks to our incredible non-teaching staff, technical team, exam department, office staff, peons, and account department for their unwavering dedication and support. Your hard work behind the scenes fuels our success and keeps everything running smoothly. With this, we proudly conclude the celebration of our institute's prestigious achievement. A huge thanks to our management for their unwavering support and inspiration. It's just the beginning. Many more milestones await us. Thank you.